So the last thing I'm going to share is our community menu. All right, what you have to choose from if you'd like. So first, and again, it goes right along the lines of health, relationships, and community, and then whatever you want to do to help your career or your finances or whatever. So you have the health, right? That part. The best place you can start from a health perspective is the MR program, right? Because it transforms, right? It actually transforms and changes the trajectory of someone's health in a relatively short window, and dramatically over time helps someone reduce the risk of those four horsemen that I mentioned earlier. Not to mention, right, people get the surface results that they really like, right, which is to look better. I'm after feel better because I know how important that is. When you feel better, you do better. And so as a shopper, someone who's just using you are welcome in our community. We're happy to have you, and we'll serve you the best we can. If you want to join also our Facebook community, then you can participate from the standpoint of the learning, because you also can get on the email list and have access to the learning. And again, the learning, if your participation with us is as a shopper using our products, we're grateful to have you and we want to help you in any way possible, then you get access to the personal development. I've only started some of the personal development training that I'm going to be providing, and the professional development training that I'm going to be providing. You get the support, you get the positive vibe, you get the encouragement, you get all of that just because you've decided to partner with us for your health. I mean, that's I don't know where else you get that. I mean, maybe there's somewhere else. I just don't know about it. And then the next layer is, if you wanted to have your own free online shop, you already buy, as a shopper, you already buy your products at the same price I do and anybody else does, right? But as a member, right, you get, which is a click of a button. It's not an extra fee. It's nothing except you get to set up your own online shop. And then if you want to be a referring member, you can set your shop up and you can share what we have and help a few folks out and maybe make a few extra bucks, or be able to get your own products for less because now you have a little cash flow coming in if you choose. And you also get the tax advantages because that qualifies as having your own home business, even though it doesn't feel like one because you don't have any of the stuff that's usually associated with a business. You don't have the paperwork, the administrative stuff, nothing. You don't have any of it. The company tracks all that stuff. And you get 25% of the point value of whatever someone orders through your shop. That's available to you if you'd like. And then the next layer of that is a little more purposeful, right? So the next layer of that is being a purposeful community builder, someone who wants to build their own community of shoppers and really make a difference for, I don't know, 15, 20, 30 people, however many people you want. I mean, which is obviously the free online shop is a great companion for anything that you do. If you have any sort of little gig that you have, or maybe you have your own little business of some sort, or it works for everything. It can work for a nonprofit. It's a beautifully and simplistic tool. But if you're more purposeful, then you can create, a little more sustainable long run income. Maybe an extra $400 or $500 or $700 or $800 a month. It just depends, right? Depends on what you want to do with it. You're only sharing, right? You're sharing something that you believe in, that's helped you, and people are ordering direct from the company through your shop. They're dealing direct with the company. You don't handle anybody's money. And if they don't like the products, they can send it back to the company. They deal with the company. You don't have to do any of that. And so it's very, 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 very consumer friendly in every single aspect. And then if you want to be more purposeful, right? Now you say, you know what, I'd really like to maybe catch up on my retirement account, or I'd really like to create, a maybe 4-figure type income in a month, then you would want to maybe build a team, right? And we teach you how to do all that. But again, it's no extra thing out of your pocket. it's just because you're evolving to that. That's what you want. And so we will serve you in doing that. And then you can make a very, very serious impact, right? I mean, I have people who have been a part of my community for 20 years and haven't been active in several years, and they're still making $10,000 or $15,000 a year. I mean, That's crazy because that's how sustainable this is because of the quality of the product. And then the next layer is for people that really want to make game changing kind of income, and every single one of these layers, it's just about effort and desire and willingness, just like anything else in life that you would want to accomplish or achieve. But somebody wants to build a team and then mentor the people in that team who want to build a bigger thing. They have no limit. There's no limit. And that no one has an advantage over anyone else. The individual that introduced me many, many years ago, I out-earned that individual by thousands of times, because I built it, and that's the beauty of it. It's yours, but you wouldn't be doing it by yourself. You'd be doing it for yourself and the people you care about, but not by yourself because of our community support. And so that layer is for people who want more choices, right? Who want more freedom, who want to design specifically the kind of life they want, or work their way to a situation where they can dedicate themselves completely to a purpose or a cause or whatever. I mean, it's you can do whatever you want. It will just take time and energy and consistency. That's all accomplishment takes. It doesn't take super genes. It doesn't take super talent. I have none of those. And so just to give you a little perspective, there's no risk. It's very simple to work. It is a heck of a lot of fun. I mean, it's fun. It's so fulfilling to help people and to get back, there's no paycheck I'll ever get that means more to me than when someone tells me how much better their life is. I mean, that is just it's such an amazing thing. You'll get free training, mentoring, coaching. It's flexible, it's portable, it's sustainable. I mean, again, my story is long, but there's incredible stuff in there that can help you understand that, and accessible. And I'm happy to share it with anyone who wants to talk to me about it. So the bottom line is, we would love it if you want to help us expand the community, whether you're doing that as someone who just loves the products and just tells one of your friends, hey, you should meet these people and learn about these products, and refers them to the person who's helping you, or whether you join us as a referring member, or whether you want to really, dive in a little bit and see what you could do, because we will serve you at whatever level you aspire to. I never try to make someone do anything. I just don't believe in that. I mean, I believe in supporting people who are trying to do better, and that's where my energy goes. And so I don't tell someone what they should do, because I don't like someone telling me what to do. But make sure you take the time to talk to whoever invited you and learn whatever you need to learn. Everything I talked about, the deeper details are available to you. I wasn't going to bore you with some kind of slideshow or dog and pony show and show you a whole bunch of stuff, because I'm not into convincing anybody. I like to work with people who are volunteering to do better in life. So I'm grateful you took the time to be here tonight, and I hope you found this of value. And again, get in touch with whoever, shared the registration link with you, and get your questions answered. And if you want to talk to me, just tell them, hey, I want to talk to that guy. And I'm happy to help. All right. Thanks again for being here.